Email sent from your WordPress website will fail if you haven't set up SMTP. Consider SMTP or Simple Mail Transfer Protocol to be the digital post office that collects and delivers emails from your website to your users. Without it, you can't send out important emails, including transactional emails, promotions, alerts, notifications, and more. Here's how to easily set up SMTP for your WordPress website for free using FluentSMTP. In this video, I'll show you how to verify free email addresses created with cPanel. If you use other email services like Google Workspace, Microsoft Outlook, or Zoho Mail, please see the video's description for instructions on how to verify your account. Apart from verification, the steps for SMTP setup are the same for all email addresses. Log on to your WordPress admin dashboard and then find and install the plugin FluentSMTP. This is the right one right here. It has over 400,000 installations. Click on Install Now. Then click on Activate. Find the plugin and click on Settings. We are using an email account created with cPanel, so we are going to be clicking on the Other SMTP option. If you use an email service such as Google Workspace or Microsoft Outlook, please use the Google Workspace or Microsoft Outlook option. I'll put a documentation link in the description how to set up a Google Workspace email or Microsoft Outlook. For now, we are going to be using Other SMTP. So this is where you fill in the details for your SMTP. The first detail you need to fill in is your from email. This is the email address from which you want to be sending out emails to your users. I've created a professional business email for this purpose using cPanel. So I'm going to be entering that here. If you don't know how to create email with cPanel, check the link in the description for a video in which I show you how to create professional customized business email for free for your business using cPanel. The next thing you need to fill in is your from name. For me, it's a personal website, so I'm going to put my name here. And I want to force sender name. So every time my website sends an email to anybody, I want this name to appear so they will know this particular email is coming from me. The next thing we need to input is our SMTP details. And I'll show you how to get this for email accounts created with cPanel. So just open a new tab, then log on to your website /webmail. For me, it's going to be dayinlola.store/webmail. And I'm going to enter my email address and my password to get the SMTP details. From here, I'm going to scroll down and click on Configure Mail Client. And right here is the details that I'm looking for. The outgoing server, it says SMTP and our port is 465. Our outgoing server is the domain name of my website. That's dayinlola.store. The SMTP port is 465. So I'm going to come back to FluentSMTP and put the details here. SMTP is 465. And since the SMTP is 465, I can only use SSL, not TLS. I can also force auto TLS by leaving this option toggled on. Authentication is needed. So the next thing I need to input here is my username and my password. That's your email address and the password for that particular email address. Once you're done, verify all your information and click on Save Connection Settings. And the SMTP connection has been created. You can go to this next tab to send a test email to make sure everything is working well. I'm just going to do that right now. Email test. From the email address we just connected as SMTP, the next option is which email address you want to send the test email to. You can use any email address at all. Then I'm going to send the test email. So the test email has been successfully sent. I'm going to check and I'm going to show you how that looks like. So this is the test email. It has been received successfully and you can see it has forced my sender name as Dayinlola and the sender email address is hello@dayinlola.store. The email we just used, the email address we just used for our SMTP, and it says congratulations, test email was sent successfully, and that's it. You can now start sending emails from your WordPress website. If I toggle the show details option, you see the email has been sent by my website dayinlola.store and it has been signed by my website dayinlola.store, and it uses the TLS connection. despite us using SSL as our security method when setting up the SMTP. Another thing you can do with Fluent SMTP is to keep email logs. So you can choose how many days you want to keep all email logs. That is every email that is being sent out from your website. I like to do at least 60 days so I can know all of the emails that have been sent out from my website. I can check their status, whether they failed. If they failed, why did they fail? Then I can use that to do any kind of debugging that is needed, if that is needed at all. So I'm going to choose 60 days for my logs and I'm going to save settings. To check your email log, simply click on email logs. Then you can see all of the emails that has been sent from your website using your SMTP connections. So this is the first one we just sent, the test email. If I click on it, you can see it right here. You can also filter this log by the email status, whether it was successful or it failed. This is the one we just sent, it was successful. And if you have any failed email, this is where you are going to see everything. Please subscribe and like this video if you found it helpful. Cheers.